Hello everyone, this is me Ishan and you're watching to the Ishanish art. In last video we have learned about the mandalacover.com. So I hope you have created the beautiful mandala through that website. In that video we have learned to make a beautiful mandala upon your own design and your own kind of structure and shapes using this tool.
If you have not checked the video yet, you can check that video by clicking on the link given on the right top corner, or you can go to the description section and the link given there, you can check that.
So in this video we are going to learn different things. In that video I was talking about one small picture given on the right bottom corner. So it was the picture of one small cat. So I'm going to explain about it. So what is about that small cat? Okay, so are you all ready? So let's start. So you can click over there given that picture of a small cat on the right bottom corner. So when you click on that small section of image of small cat, so you can get some other features even on that website, like mandala. We have been doing the mandala. So there is a distillation option and there is recursion option, snowflakes option, and this is also pro, but for the pro we have to pay the money. So we have to use this every version that is free for us. Okay, so there is pro. So I'm going to start doing the distillation. So after you click on the distillation, the new interface will open, and whenever you drag and move your mouse, the different structure will be created. So if you enjoy creating the distillations, you can go on that section. So I'm going to click here recursion. I'm going to take new session for the recursion. So when you click on the new session, so new recursion option will open. So in this section you can get some structures, looks like branches, dry plants, and you can move your mouse to, you can create the effects. We're going to do snowflake now. After you click on the snowflake, so the new interface will open. You can get a different set of the snowflake. Click on the right left top corner, and you can drag and move your mouse to create the snowflakes as per your design or your own idea. So you can get a different set of the snowflake. You can click on the right left top corner, and you can drag and move your mouse to create the snowflakes as per your design or your own idea. So It's going to be very exciting. Personally, I like this website, and I want to recommend everyone, because in this website you can create your own kind of designs. Okay, so you are the creator for this work. So I'm going to drag and drop the different options given there. So I can increase the thickness of the line, I can color it in different shade.
Finally, after creating a satisfactory design, you can save your file. Right click on your mouse and save images on your computer. Give a name for your file and save it. Now the file has been saved in the computer. I'm going to reopen it. Here's the final design. Thanks for watching. I hope you have really enjoyed creating the beautiful snowflakes. Keep creating.